Welcome back to Lytical Preps. Please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more exciting and tricky questions together. Thank you for doing that. So today we are looking at 9 exponent 5 minus 9 exponent 3. And in this case, 9 exponent 5, we can rewrite it as 9 exponent 3 multiplied by 9 exponent 2. So we are going to replace this by, so it's going to be 9 exponent 3 multiplied by 9 exponent 2 minus 9 exponent 3, which is equal to, so with this, we are having common term to be 9 exponent 3. So you can say that 9 exponent 3 outside into bracket 9 squared minus 1, like this. Okay, which is, we can rewrite it as 9 exponent 3 into bracket 9 squared minus 1 squared. Okay, so in algebra, when we have a squared minus b squared, which is equal to a plus b into bracket a minus b, like this. So our equation, we can rewrite it as 9 cubed into bracket. So now our a is the 9 squared and the b is 1. Okay, so our a is 9, b is 1. So we get 9 plus 1 and then 9 minus 1, like this. So which is equal to 9 cubed into bracket 9 plus 1 is 10. Then multiply by 9 minus 1, which is 8, like this. So it's equal to this one. We are going to get 9 cubed into bracket 8 times 10 times 8 is 8. Okay, so we are getting 80, like this. So which is equal to this 9 cubed, we can break it as 9 squared multiplied by 9 into bracket 8. So we are going to get 9. So this and this, we can say that 9 multiplied by 80 into bracket 9 squared. 9 squared, which is equal to 0 times 9, we are getting 0. 0 times 9 is 0. 8 times 9, we are getting 72. So 72 multiplied by 9 squared, like this. Okay, and 9 squared, you know that 720 multiplied by 9 squared is the same as 9 times 9. So we have 720 multiplied by 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, 720 multiplied by 81. Okay, so this 81, we can rewrite it as 720 into bracket 80 plus bracket plus. Okay, so because we are not supposed to use a calculator, we need to separate the 81 so that it will be easy for us to multiply. Okay, so now 0 times 0, 0. Then 8 times 0, we're getting 0 here. 8 times 2 is 16. So 6, a remainder of 1. 8 times 7 is 56. So 56 plus 1, we're getting 57. Okay. Then 1 times this is the same as, so plus 720. Now 0 plus 0 equal. Okay, so we need to add these two. It is 5, 7, 6, 0, 0 plus 720, which is equal to 0 plus 0, we are getting 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. And 7 plus 6 is 13. So rank 3 a remainder of 1. Now, 7 plus 1, we are getting 8. And this is our 5. So, this is our final answer for the question. Okay. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting and tricky questions. This is the easiest way to solve this question. Bye-bye.